Mount Tundalara this way. Just some few more meters maybe. Welcome back everybody to another beautiful day in the Philippines. I'm right now in Coron. Behind me is the Bay of Coron, and I want to explore with you a little bit the sights of Coron. I heard there should be a nice mountain where you can climb on and have a great overview of that. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got my scooter downstairs and let's go! Woo! So I'm downstairs. I'm staying in this nice place called R2R Hotel. R2R, it's the middle of the city of Coron. It's not that much around here. Most of the people just go island hopping and then you can explore stuff with your scooter, and yeah, that's my baby. Just follow the sun. Hey! Quick stop to get some water before I get for the hike. And I think there's a shop over there. Okay, completely frozen. I need to wait. I cannot drink. This won't work. So just put the bottle in my sweet scooter and wait until the ice is gone. We're good to go. So I came from there, and now we're going there. Small pass, and that's actually on my maps a street. So I wonder how the trail will look like. Okay, we arrived. I found the pass where I can actually go. There says Mount Tundalara this way. So let's see what's up there. Okay, I started with a hike, and you can hear I'm not alone. No, but it's a very far way, and the sun is setting very quick, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. I'm still trying, but we will see. I love how the surroundings change. First jungle, and now super nice bamboo. Cool. Okay, here we go with the hard part. Up there. It said it should be fun. It should be nice. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck. So, I'm just halfway. The sun sets more and more. And I'm considering to stop the hike because I'm going alone and I don't want to go back in the dark alone. But on the other hand, I really want to go up. Just some few more meters maybe. Alright, I finally made it somewhere. I didn't make it completely to the top because the top is over there. But there's a fucking antenna and I actually wanted to fly my drone. But that's not gonna work anyways because my mobile says it's too wet. And I cannot plug in the drone thing, otherwise it probably wouldn't work because of the antenna. And yeah, the sun was fully there when I arrived, and I just put out the drone and now it's like that. So I enjoyed the last few minutes and then I go back in the dark, I guess. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of the video. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you more. I started the trip a little bit too late. This is how it is when you don't plan out too much and just go for the adventure. Then things like that can happen, but I mean seriously, the view is stunning. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wish me good luck that I make it back home right now, because it's getting really dark as you can see, and I still gotta hike down the mountain. I think that was a really stupid idea from me. Anyways, see you next time. Stupid. It's super dark. Can't see shit. For everybody, I'm in the jungle right now. Yeah, the jungle. Fuck.